Hello everyone. Before we start, I would be happy if you subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, give it a like or share it. Thank you very much. Let's start now. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a comments in HTML. I have opened Visual Studio Code, my code editor. As we can see, we have some code here. I will run it on Chrome. We see some example text on the page. Comments are used to explain your code, which can help you when you edit the source code at a later date. This is very useful if you have a page with a lot of code. How we create a comments? It's simple. In HTML, we have only one type of comment. First we have less than sign, then exclamation mark, 2 dashes. That's how we start comment. Next, we can write some text which can't be seen on the web page. For example, I will write this as comment. Now I will close the comment with 2 dashes and greater than sign. Let's test this. Save the page and run it. We can't see our comment, but we can see it in our code. Great! Thank you for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.